I've been getting bored with the screen steaming up on my instrument panel, so I've just pulled it apart, and there, look, you can see water in the dust that's in there. How does dust get in there? It's supposed to be sealed, but yeah, there you go. And that happens to be because we've crashed it up. Oh yeah, there you go, look, you can see daylight. See the daylight there, look? Yeah, we've crashed it up too many times and we've busted the housing, so yeah, hopefully that'll be the end of that then. So I'll just get the soldering iron out and we'll fix it up and end that misery. But yeah, look at all the dust and water. Later.